Hey folks, today we're taking a look at the HUAKEY floor lamp. So HUAKEY are advertising 20 watts of power here. So I'm expecting that this will be able to get quite bright, and it does have a number of functions as well. Okay, it includes a remote control somewhere in here, along with the fact that it has touch controls too. So quite a premium set of features. We've got the pole here, okay, along with the remote control. Just show you that a little bit more up close. Okay, you can see it has a number of different buttons there to access all of the different features. And then finally, we do have the base to the lamp itself. This is actually really weighty. Feels like such a good quality lamp, this does, even before I've assembled it. Okay, so assembly itself should be really simple. It all comes out of the box in one piece connected by the cable. So it's just a case of tightening everything together, starting from the top here, and then we'll just move down the line, so to speak, to the next part. Obviously, this is a one-time process. Once you've assembled it, then you won't need to do this again. And then we have the final part down here. Okay, so that took about, what, 20 seconds? And of course, let's not forget the base. There we go. That's all nicely tight and put together. So if I just bring that a little bit closer to you again, I will just show that the lamps themselves do have a little bit of adjustability there as well. You can lift them up, turn them around. So yeah, quite a lot of options there in terms of the direction of the light itself. I'm going to face them closer towards the camera for now so that we can give this a bit of a test. Just to show you that the main AC power cord, I don't know exactly, but it's definitely over 1 metre, and that doesn't include the fact you get a little bit of cord on the bottom of the lamp as well that the AC plug does go into. So a decent cord length. There is a foot button on the bottom. Once that's turned on, you can see the back of the lamps have these LEDs, just so you know that there is actually power coming to them. And so just checking in the manual here, to turn these on, a simple touch on the back will do the job. To turn them off again, a double touch. How simple is that? And that's without using the remote controller. So now if I turn this back on, and if we hold this down, then we can actually adjust the brightness. See that? And if I take my hand off and hold it down again, then we can actually reduce the brightness. So really intuitive, even again without having to use the remote controller there. I'm just going to go ahead and shut the curtains. Hopefully it will show up on camera a little better then. So it's still quite bright in here. These aren't blackout curtains, but this is a strong lamp, so that's absolutely fine. And right now I've got it set quite bright with a warmer colour temperature. So in order to change the colour temperature, once the lamp is turned on, just simple taps on that touch control will adjust the colour temperature. Okay, so they're much cooler. Tap it again. Even cooler, tap it again, head back to that warmer temperature. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with this lamp so far. It just has so much functionality to it. But let's just turn that off again for the moment. And don't forget, you do get this remote controller, which has the option to change all of those settings I've just shown you. Plus, it also allows you to add timer settings to this lamp as well. And just as an example, if you just tap that timer button, then the lamp will turn off after 15 minutes. If you hold it down, then you'll set a 30-minute timer onto the lamp. So folks, overall, after these first impressions, I'm really kind of excited to put this through its paces. Yeah, we're going to have this in our sitting room, and it's going to really help my wife mostly, who's going to be using that to do reading and crochet. So folks, thanks for taking this first look with me at the HUAKEY floor lamp. And if you need a floor lamp yourself, then this may be worth checking out.